let's review the menu items at the top of the screen. We've already talked about the content section, and that's where you'll do your learning, you'll get to your homeworks, and you can get to the getting started section. You can also go to calendar right there. And when it takes you to the calendar, it will open in different views at the top, but I recommend the list view if you like using this calendar. You can click on the assignment, and then when you click on it again, it'll take you to the assignment. So it takes 2, sometimes 3 clicks to get to the assignment. Note, everything in our course that has a grade associated with it is in the calendar here. But what that also means is that if you download the Brightspace Pulse app to your phone and you sign in with your course sign-in, all of those dates will automatically populate into the Pulse app. You don't have to add them, and it will send you notifications. It seems like it's maybe 36 hours out, and then like 24 hours, and then a 1-hour reminder. You can change up the notifications like with any app, but I really recommend using that. I think it's very, very helpful. You can also work your assignments off your device or phone using the app, as well as just going to the website like this. But that's the calendar view. You'll also notice in content, you can see the calendar in the main page. This is the page you see when you log in. You can see the calendar and what's coming up on the right-hand side of the page. Then we have discussions, quizzes, and Dropbox. So hopefully you can see those 3 items at the top. Now here's the thing. Content keeps all of your homework, discussions, Dropboxes. It keeps all of that in the sections where the learning is. So you can see that, for example, here's the quiz, here's a discussion. They're all in the content area. However, if you just want to go and find one or pick one out, like, you want to go back and see something, that's what those 3 menu items are. This is a list of the discussions. There are practice problem sections where you can just ask questions too, but those are the graded discussions, so you can look at all of those. You can also go to quizzes. This is another note. Even though we have homework, the limitation of D2L is that it puts it all under the heading of quiz. So you see all the homeworks, HWs, but then you can see there's a quiz in there also. And then if you keep scrolling, you'll even see that there's a test in there. Oh, the test is right here. So you'll even be able to see that there are tests in there. But it calls them quizzes. So the entire quiz category, it's just any kind of assessment that has a grade associated with it, like quizzes, homeworks, and tests. And then Dropbox, again, it's just the list of them. So generally, you're going to be accessing these through the content, like from the week module that you're on. But if you need to jump to something, that's a quick way to get to it. Then, of course, you're going to be used to your grades section. So you're definitely going to want to check on your grades. And your grades can let us give you feedback in the right-hand side. So always kind of scroll over and make sure that you can see your grade. If you need to do any emailing, you'll use the class list right there. And then activities aren't used as much. That's why it's in this little category right here. But you can check if you want to go to like the overview of the checklist, because there are a few checklists in this class that don't have grades associated with them, but they just help you know what's coming up and what you need to do. You can get to it that way. Those are the main items that you need to know how to get to. And finally, if you tap the top of the screen, which is the title of the course, that will always get you to that login page that has the news items listed for you.